Welcome to Tool Tip Tuesday. So you've got some stuff you want to build with some plate steel or some other kind of aluminum or something like that, and you need to cut some strips out of it. So how are you going to do it? Remember, we're trying to get to 10,000 this year, so I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. So one option is a cutoff wheel. Now, if you have a plasma torch, also a good option, but there's a little more cleanup when you use these. Bandsaws are nice, but for bigger sheets, they can be problematic. So today's tool tip is circular saw blade. And I know we're not cutting 2x4s, but your circular saw can be used to cut steel and aluminum. You just got to treat it right. Now the trick is you're not just buying any circular saw blade. Like these Diablos, you buy one made for steel. And so there's a couple things you're going to need though when you do this. Face shield, because it's going to be spraying some hot chips back. Some safety glasses and gloves. You might want to think about some earmuffs. I would suggest at least a face shield. Alright, so there are chips that fly around. That's what the face shield's for. But the finish, you can't complain about that. No dross from a plasma cutter or all the sparks from the cutoff wheel. Pretty easy. And that Diablo wheel, Diablo, well, I guess it depends on where you're from. Does a great job. I'll leave a link for this in the description where you can go buy one for yourself. It's just a basic circular saw, nothing fancy. It'll cut steel great. If you cut aluminum though, get you some just candles. That way it keeps the blade from loading up. So remember, your Tool Tip Tuesday. If you got to cut steel plate or aluminum plate, follow the link in the description below. Order from Amazon, throw it in your circular saw, and you can be fabricating too. And if you got to weld it up, I'll see you in this video.